To transfer domain ownership on GoDaddy, start by logging into your GoDaddy account and navigating to the Domain Manager section. Here you will see a list of all your domains. Click on the domain you want to transfer ownership of. Click on the Domain Settings icon and select the Domain Settings option from the drop-down menu. Scroll down to the Contacts section and click on the Edit button next to the owner information. Enter the new owner's information, including their name, email address, and other contact details. Make sure the information is accurate and up to date, as this will be used for verification purposes. Once you have entered the new owner's information, click on the Save button to save the changes. The new owner will then receive an email from GoDaddy with a verification link. The new owner must click on the verification link and follow the instructions to verify their email address and accept the domain transfer. Once the new owner has verified their email address and accepted the transfer, the domain ownership will be updated. It is essential to note that both the current and new owners must have a GoDaddy account for the transfer to be successful. If the new owner does not have a GoDaddy account, they will need to create one before the transfer can be initiated. Additionally, some domain extensions may have specific requirements or restrictions on domain transfers. So it is crucial to check the transfer policy for your specific domain extension before initiating the transfer. By following these steps, you can successfully transfer domain ownership on GoDaddy. It is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few minutes, and it ensures that the new owner has full control over the domain.